What a girl, what a world, what a light. Oh, I married Joan. What a mind, love is blind, what a wife.
Joan Davis with Jim Backus in
I married Joan.
How's the room look, Brad?
Fine.
Good. How's the room look now, Brad?
Fine.
How's it look now, Brad?
You're acting as though we've never had people over here before. Besides, Mabel and Jack Brandt are old friends of ours, and so are the Petersons and the Kavanaughs.
Well, honey, it's not the Petersons or the Brandts. It's, well, you've seen that Helen Kavanaugh in action. Well, I can just hear. Oh, Joe, darling, your house looks simply wonderful. How do you manage to keep it so neat? Yes, I'm always telling Harry, my husband, that you're one of the neatest little housekeepers I've seen. How do you manage to do it without help?
Oh, Joni.
Well, it's true, honey. She's always trying to make me look bad. Everything I've got, she's got better. Everything I can do, she can do better.
Well, if you don't like her, why did you invite her over here tonight?
Well, in the first place, I know how much you like Harry. And in the second place, it isn't that I don't like her. It's just that it's just that I can't stand her. That Helen is so smug and so conceited and sneaky and... Hello!
Harry, how are you? Come on in.
Hello, Harry.
Helen, let me take your coat.
Thank you.
Harry, here.
Joni, that dress.
What about it?
It's beautiful. Oh, it's lovely.
Oh.
It's breathtaking.
Oh.
I guess that's why I bought one myself.
Oh.
Almonds. $42.95, right?
Mm-hmm.
I got mine for $24.
Oh.
I found this dear little place on a side street off Hawthorne where they... $42.95. Oh, Joni.
Now, look, Helen,
Joan, here, will you put the coats into the bedroom? Let's sit down, shall we, Helen? Harry, well, how are things?
Still waiting for word from Washington.
I know exactly what you mean.
How are things with you?
Well, I mean, after all, we're about the same, you know.
Drink. Water. Oh, well, I like the drinking well. All's well. All's well and it is well. That's it.
Oh, that was very good, darling.
So, 1 minute and 37 seconds, Brad. That means that we ladies are ahead 2 minutes and 57 seconds.
Oh, good.
All right, it's my turn. Who's timing me?
I am. Here you are, Helen.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Go.
What's the first word? Quotation? The whole thing. You're going to do the whole thing.
A song.
Back.
Waving. An old song.
Swinging.
A trapeze. A
18 seconds.
It's your turn now, Joan. And if you can manage to keep under 3 minutes, darling, we can beat the men.
And how long did it take you?
18 seconds.
What's this?
Come on, Joan. You can do it now.
Got mine, dear?
There you go, darling.
Okay. Can I see?
Yeah.
You ready?
Go.
How many
Is
words?
it a quotation play?
Joan,
Is it a quotation?
How many words?
Is it a quotation?
Joan, you're wasting time. How many words? Five. Five words. Are you sure?
10 words.
6 words. 5. Oh, Joan, do hurry.
How many words, Joan?
What's the first?
5 words.
5 words. Well,
The
that's what I
first
said
word.
hours ago.
First word.
First word.
For 1 syllable.
1 syllable.
Hammer.
Pick.
Chop.
Chopsticks.
Chopstick.
Round.
Hod carrier.
Throw.
Bricklayer.
Volga Boatman.
Skating.
Skating.
Skater's waltz. Roller skating. Slip. Slide. The polka.
Fall.
Boom. Hard. Ground. Cold. Freezing. Snow. Ice. Ice. The first word is ice. Come on now, Joan. What's the next word? Ice skating. That's the first word.
Ice skating, Joan, that's 2 words.
First half of it. Ice. Now, what's the second word? Yeah. 1 syllable.
1 syllable. Pull.
Tug.
Trolley. Rope.
Stool.
Cow. Pull.
Tug.
Squirt. Grapefruit. Milk. Buttermilk.
Margarine.
Hoop cheese.
Farmer's cheese.
Acidophilus.
Yogurt.
Scream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
First 2 words. Come on now, John. Third word.
Hurry up. Oh, Joan, hurry.
Third word. Small, little one. And, will. Sounds like. Indigestion. Pain.
Stick to your stomach.
Gastritis. Sounds like gastritis.
Sounds like gas.
Sounds like gas. Has.
Ice cream has. The 4th word, Joan, hurry. 4th word.
Fourth word. Not the 4th word.
The 5th word?
The 4th word. What? Not the 4th word. The 4th word. The 5th word?
It can't be the 3rd word. You have that.
The 4th word. Not the 4th word. First syllable of the 4th word. Not the first syllable.
Oh, do something.
Joan.
It's a biblical quotation. No.
Yes. I'm talking.
5th word. The 5th word. Ankle.
Ankle. A calf.
Shin. Knees. Kneecap. Skin.
Ribs.
Skinny. Shape. Shapeless. No shape. Ice cream has no shape.
Gambling. Come say exercise. Ice cream has no exercise.
Gambling.
Money.
Greenback.
Salam. Ice cream has no salami.
Good night, man.
Good night, Brad.
Good night,
Oh, you were wonderful.
night, Brad.
Oh, we had a perfectly wonderful time, Joan. And don't feel too badly about taking forever on a simple little thing called ice cream has no bones, darling. Most of the game, darling, may be intelligence, but there's some luck to it, too. I guess I wasn't very lucky. That's what you meant, wasn't it? Of course. Well, good night. 42.95. Well, good night, darling.
Good night. Oh, someday, Brad, someday, I'm telling you, I'm going to beat that.
And as you know, this is the time of year when all the women's clubs in the city hold their annual fair. Now, last year, and for 4 years in a row, our club won the grand prize in the cooking division. Thanks, of course, to Helen Kavanaugh and her wonderful soup. Now, this year, I suggest that we leave the soup making to Helen, so that the rest of us can devote our efforts to the other contests, which we have a very good chance of winning. Because, after all, which one of us is silly enough to think that she can make better soup than Helen? Not me. Oh, gosh, no. Joan!
Try some of this now, Mabel.
I can't, Joan. Honest. I've been tasting these soups for hours now, and I'm full.
But, honey, I just got to know which soup is best if I want to beat Helen. Please.
Why don't you try this one?
Me? You think you're full of soup? Why, this morning for breakfast, I had a bowl of onion soup and 2 more bowls of some other kind. And for lunch, I had 3 more bowls of soup, and I've been tasting ever since. How about you taking one last taste of all the soups and giving me your final answer? But honey, not a whole mouthful, just a teeny little sip. Come on.
To tell you the truth, I don't think I can tell one soup from another anymore.
Please try, Mabel.
Well, all right. There.
Now these over here.
Oh, Joan. Well, that one tasted the best.
This one here?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You positive?
Yes. What is it?
The starch I'm boiling to iron bread shirts. Do you think I'd enter it? Hi, Nancy.
Hello, Joan. Joan, just wait till you hear what's cooking.
Wait till you see what's cooking. Come on in the kitchen.
As soon as I heard about it, I just absolutely had to come by and tell you.
Oh, hello, Mabel.
Hi, Nancy. You're going to help us taste the soup, huh?
She sure is. Pull up a mouth, Nancy, and sit down.
Oh, Joan, will you listen to me? You're just wasting your time with this stuff. Helen has the contest in the bag.
What do you mean?
Do you know what that woman did? She found out what Mr. Cooper's favorite soup is. He's the judge of the contest this year. That's the kind of soup she's making.
What?
Mr. Cooper is crazy about oxtail soup at Alfonso's restaurant. So she's going there to get the recipe.
But that's dishonest.
And sneaky.
You're darn right.
And underhanded.
It sure is.
And dirty.
She's not kidding.
And very clever.
She's absolutely right. Whose side are you on, Mabel?
Oh, now I know how that nasty little snake in the haystack wins contests. Finds out what kind of soup the judge likes, gets the recipe.
Wait a minute. There's a way to outfox that woman. There's a certain little maneuver that can turn the tables on her.
What is it?
I don't know. Let's all think hard.
Joan, why don't you rush over to Alphonse's right now and get that oxtail recipe ahead of her? And maybe even talk Alphonse into not giving the recipe to Helen.
Yes. And if I can't talk him into it, maybe I can let him in on a little recipe of my own. 10 clams served under the table.
Why not? All's fair in love and soup. Go to it, Joan. It's time someone took Helen down a peg or two, and my money's on you to do it.
Oh, Mabel, you're such a wonderful friend. I'd give you a big squeeze for that. If we both weren't so full of soup. Well, I'll hurry right down in. Whoa. I'd better slow down. I'm making waves in here.
Madame, it is useless to see the chef. Alfonso gives his recipes to no one.
Well, there's no harm in asking. I just hope he's in a good mood, that's all.
Nom de chien, vous êtes un grand fou! Zut alors, vous êtes un imbécile!
Alfonso,
Oui, madame.
he's not in a good mood.
Oh, but you are wrong. I have never heard him in such gay spirits.
For him, that's gay?
La dernière cuisinière que vous m'avez envoyée est impossible. Elle ne peut pas bouillir de l'eau sans la faire chauffer. Toujours les idiotes!
My, he is having a ball, isn't he?
He is calling the employment agency about an assistant cook.
Did you say he's looking for an assistant cook?
Oui, madame. Now, if you please, we will go, huh?
Oh, I forgot my purse.
The telephone, excuse me, huh?
Assistant cook,
Je
huh?
ne sais pas ce que je pense attraper. Pourquoi m'envoyez-vous des idiotes? Toujours les idiotes. La dernière cuisinière que vous m'avez envoyée était impossible. Oui. Oui, immédiatement. Comprenez-vous immédiatement? You! Who are you?
I'm from the employment agency. I'm your new assistant cook.
Sacre bleu, but I was just talking on the telephone. I hung up.
I'm sorry I'm late. I missed my bus. Nice little kitchen you've got here.
You have experience in cooking?
Oh, yes. Lots of experience.
I mean in French cooking.
Is there any other kind?
So true. Very well. Prepare the pomme de terre.
Prepare the pomme de terre. Prepare the pomme de terre. Prepare the pomme de terre. Prepare the pomme de terre. Prepare the pomme de terre. Prepare the pomme de terre. Couldn't I mash the succotash?
Very funny.
Yeah.
Prepare the pomme de terre.
Oh, la spadola.
Just feel. We have a banquet tonight for 500 people. I must prepare the oxtail soup.
Oxtail soup. Mind if I watch?
When Alfonso makes the oxtail soup, nobody watches. If anyone tries to steal my secret... Inquisitive? Oh, yes.
About 60 carrots. $40 bunches of cut celery. Small patch of shredded parsley. Green peppers. Meat, about, 50 pounds of meat, I guess, yeah, meat. Pounds. Snow? Oh, salt. Pepper. Saved by the oxtail.
Alfonso, has your assistant cook arrived yet?
She was here a minute ago, but now that I need her, I cannot find her. Hello? Hello?
Perhaps I can help you, huh?
Oh, merci beaucoup. I need to put the oxtail soup on the stove.
Let's go.
About 10 gallons of water. About 35 gallons of water. 40 gallons. Good thing I got a pen that can write under soup.
And now to turn on the range. There.
Hiya, lover.
Oh, Fred!
You know, easy.
Honey, I got news for you. My soup won at the fair this afternoon. I finally beat that Helen Kavanaugh at something, and guess what kind of soup it was?
Oxtail.
It was oxtail. How did you know?
Alfonso just filed suit against you for soup swiping and recipe embezzlement.
Well, glad he didn't.
No, honey, I'm only kidding you. Mabel told me all about it. Something smells good. What is it?
Well, that's it. That's the soup that won the contest.
Oh, boy, I'll bet it's good. What's in that jar there?
Oh, that's more oxtail soup. And here's some more oxtail soup. And here's more oxtail soup. And this is more oxtail soup.
Well, Joni, what's the big idea?
Well, honey, the recipe was for 500, and it makes an awful lot of oxtail soup.
Probably have enough to last us for the next 5 years.
Yes. Well, I was afraid that it'd change the taste if I cut down on anything.
Okay, Joni. I'm going to take a bath before dinner.
What is that strange liquid in the bathtub?
Well, like I said, Brad, this recipe makes an awful lot of oxtail soup.
Seen in tonight's cast were Emlyn Davies, Don Brody, Richard Bartell, Geraldine Carr, Fay Baker, Myra Marsh, Ross Elliott, Alan DeWitt, and Cosmo Sardo.